you remember when Visa cards first came out? You were used to paying with cash or with a check, and then a Visa came out. It was this weird payment system that you didn't understand. And she said, yeah, I remember that. Well, Bitcoin is just the next evolution of another payment system.
Brace yourself, Nakamoto was the foundation.
What up guys, Nakamoto Crypto here, and today we have got the vast majority of the Bitcoin supply is now controlled by 63% of the Bitcoin long-term investors. Analytics platform Glassnode explained in a tweet that 63% of the total supply has not moved in over a year. They also note that a shocking 31.4% of the total supply hasn't moved in over 3 years. This trend is bullish for Bitcoin because it shows that most of its investors based are taking a long-term approach to their holdings and are unlikely to sell into any upward movements in the near term. This is the power of cryptocurrency. This is the power of Bitcoin. If you are missing the dips, you are missing out in one of the most important decisions you will ever make in your entire life. This is not a financial advice or opinions, but BTC is working wonders as it did in the past decade. Next, we have got SingularityNET is set to ditch Ethereum for Cardano. Why? Because of speed and cost issues. The potential move will swap the native AGI token from ERC20 to Cardano's project. The AI company behind the expressive robot Sophia is seriously discussing a migration from Ethereum to now Cardano after announcing a collaboration with IOHK. IOHK is run by the founder of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, and drives the development of the blockchain platform. SingularityNET is a full-stack AI platform that lets anyone create, share, and monetize AI services at scale. The potential move to Ethereum is driven by concerns around speed and cost that have been boldly affected lately by demands from DeFi platforms, with gas costs peaking as high as $17 per transaction. That is ridiculous. The team also has doubts about the feasibility of Ethereum 2, which has been in development for the past few years but still is some way off being a practical solution. Current speed and cost issues with the Ethereum blockchain have increased the urgency of exploring alternative for SingularityNET's blockchain underpinning, said Dr. Ben Gozel, the CEO and founder of Singularity. He said that the partnership will help drive Cardano's development and scale SingularityNET's based services. The transition of Singularity onto modern blockchains such as Cardano is a clear route of achieving scale and speed, and the completion of the fiat to crypto gateway will remove the requirements users of SingularityNET based service cryptocurrency infrastructure. So there you have it. One of the first achievements of Cardano lately is projects like this, which is an AI projects focused on the future, are now migrating from Ethereum to Cardano. What does that tell you about the great work that IOHK has been doing? Cardano is working wonders, has been working wonders, and will be working wonders. It is a third generation based cryptocurrency and it will thrive. Lastly, we have got the New Zealand tax agency now asks a firm to hand over its clients' personal data. The Inland Revenue Department (IRD) of New Zealand has requested that crypto companies in the country to hand over their customers' personal details, cryptocurrency asset values, as well as the types of assets that they hold. According to a September 28 report by Radio New Zealand, the tax agency says that it wants to improve its understanding of the digital currency asset industry so we can work out how best to help taxpayers meet their income tax obligations. I quote, New Zealand's firm might not have legal ground to refuse the request, says the report. In the island nation, virtual currencies are treated as a form of property. Just like in the US, tax is paid with every sale, trade, exchange, or lending activity. Crypto mining and staking are also stacked. The IRD's latest move drew criticism from the industry's participants. Janine Granger, Chief Executive Officer of New Zealand-based Easy Crypto, told Radio New Zealand that the requirement to share customer details was hard. While many people might think that I have nothing to hide, therefore, what do I care? The point of privacy isn't to aid people who have something to hide. It's to ensure that we have a fair and open, free society. Regulations throughout the world are moving to tighten their control on the cryptocurrency industry. The US Internal Revenue Services, the IRS, has been sending warning letters to crypto investors seeking clarity about whether they had reported their transactions correctly. What do you guys think about the New Zealand's tax agency attempting to get crypto investors' personal details? Let us know in the comments section below. This was bound to happen. Nations are now waking up and they are after your cryptocurrencies. Make sure you store them safe. Once you finish accumulating and when you're ready to cash out, they will definitely come after your crypto. And on that click, if you like the content, please don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe for some daily crypto updates. I have been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto and I'm out.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Best performing asset in the last 10 years. True. Look into crypto, we need volunteers. No need to tiptoe, it won't disappear. Do your research, history made it clear.